I would like to welcome you to the open house here at Regents International School Bangkok, home of well-rounded leaders of the future.
Our vision at Regent School is to bring out the best in everyone. It guides us in everything we do. We want to bring out the best in students, not only academically, but in music, but also in sport, the arts, but also in their social development. Those underpin the Regent School.
We seek to provide opportunities to enrich your children and support them beyond the classroom through things like outdoor education trips, to service projects, to what you've seen here today in terms of the arts.
A love of learning ensures a child will continue throughout their life to look for new experiences, to seek new challenges. We begin this journey when the children enter Regents.